Let's go to Eunice in Jersey City.
Yeah, Mr. Brad, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm okay. I have a case with the NBC. The priority date was February 27th, 2021. They told us that we are waiting on the processing time and we haven't heard anything since. I tried to call.
Who are you sponsoring?
My son.
How old is he?
He's a married son, 40 years old.
Okay, when did you file the I-130?
In 2011.
Okay. The reason why you haven't heard is the priority date is not current yet. Okay? So if you go to priority dates, which is the visa bulletin, and I'm going to do that for you right now. What country is he in?
Jamaica.
He's in Jamaica. All right. So let's see. He is married son of a U.S. citizen over the age of 21. They're processing cases right now, August 22nd, 2009, meaning that right now people who filed for their married children in August 2009 are going through the process at the National Visa Center. Since you're 2011, you're probably not going to hear from them for about another 2 years.
When I called last year, they told me that any time after the 27th of February 2021 is his priority date.
You just told me it's 2011, and I just looked online, and they're processing 2009. So I don't know what question you asked. I don't know if they understood your question. Listen to me. I don't know what question you asked. I don't know if they understood your question. I don't know if you misinterpreted, they misinterpreted. But let me tell you exactly. The F3 married category, based on the visa bulletin, for the month of February 2022 is up to April 2009. That means if you filed the I-130 visa petition on or before April 2009, they're going to process your son's case. If it's not filed by April 2009, but some date after 2010, 2011, you're going to wait. Fair? No, because your son shouldn't have to wait 15 years to get a green card. You should have to wait 15 years for him. I'm just telling you that's the process, unfortunately.
Yeah, so why did they tell me that the priority date was the 27th of February 2021?
Magic 8 Ball. Eunice wants to know why somebody at the National Visa Center told her wrong information. Does anybody ever get it right there at the National Visa Center when you call them? It's the Magic 8 Ball says it's decidedly so. People give wrong information. It's exactly what the Magic 8 Ball said.
Pretty true.
Why do they do it? I don't know. Why do they give bad information? Not trained well. Don't understand you. Don't care. Some combination of the three.
Yeah, because I called in May of last year and they told me to check my email every month. The priority date can be anytime upward to a year, and it's nearly a year now since they give me that priority date.
Watch this show. I'll give you the right information. Okay, Eunice? Hang in there. Hang in there. Let's go to Jesuita. Jesuita.
Hi.
Did I get that right? Is it Jesuita?
No, Jesusita.
Jesuita.
Yes, Jesusita.
Jesus with an Ida. Jesusita.
Yes.
Jesusita.
Yes, good evening,
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good. My question is, when I came here in Florida 2016, I'm holding an R1 visa. And I'm working in a religious nursing home facility in Florida.
It's quite ironic that your parents named you Jesusita and you ended up in religious occupation. But continue.
Yeah, and then 2019, they apply me for a green card.
The I-360.
I form I-360, and my daughter, she is 19. She is included on that application.
Okay.
And then I got my my green card October 2020. And my question is, until now, I did not receive any letter from the UCIS about my daughter.
Did you file an adjustment for your daughter?
No.
That's why. You got to file a separate adjustment application for her.
So what would I do then?
So your daughter's 19 now?
No, she is 19 when I applied that I-360.
Where is she now?
She's in the Philippines.
Okay, so you need to do an I-824 I-824 to transfer the file to the Philippines for your daughter to follow to join you.
So where will I file that one?
With the local office where your application is right now, or at the National Benefits Center. Follow the instructions on the I-824.
But now my daughter is 22 now.
So she may have aged out unless she's under the Child Status Protection Act. So we got to check that out. You may have to refile, start from scratch again. Let's see. Hold on one second. Hold on. Let's go to John in Newark, New Jersey.
Hey, Brad, how are you, sir?
How are you?
Good. I've been applying for U.S. citizen since May 2020. Still not an interview yet. When I called the 1-800 number, I follow your show. I think you're right. They don't know what they're doing. They say it's a normal process. They say it's about like 20 months.
Which application is this?
U.S. citizen.
For naturalization?
Yes.
It shouldn't be 20 months. So you filed it 20 months ago and you still have not gotten any?
I filed May 2020.
Okay, and you still have not received any interview yet? I would be starting to think about a mandamus or a threat of a mandamus at this point. They're taking about 9-10 months. Sometimes people fall off the tracks like you, but for the most part, it's 9, 10, 11 months.
Right.
All right? And as a matter of fact, Biden is trying to make it even go faster. So the only thing, I mean, you can call up the 1-800 number. When you call the 1-800 number, and they say, you know what they say? They say, we'll send a notice to immigration.
Right,
and then you get a notice back months later saying your case is processing. Basically, all you're doing is pushing paper.
So
nobody's looking at your file.
You're right. 100%.
I know I am.
Listen, I respect you. I respect you a lot because I watch your show a lot. Right. But I call you in December. You say they wait for the new year. I mean, which is January.
So what I'm saying to you now is that because your citizenship, your naturalization is over 18 months.
It's 20 months.
20 months now. You should be thinking about filing a mandamus or a threat of a mandamus.
So how long that take to?
Well, usually when you threaten a mandamus, you get a result within a matter of a month or two, or less.
Okay.
All right? Hold on one second. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.